However, its effectiveness has been brought into question in recent research study. Based upon research study reviews, it's unclear whether Garcinia cambogia and HCA supplements promote weight reduction. Although some earlier studies showed that Garcinia cambogia and HCA had effective suppressive effects on calorie consumption and enhanced weight loss and fat loss, more current evaluations have actually disappointed constant outcomes. For example, a 2002 study in 24 adults revealed that taking 900 mg of HCA daily caused a 1,530% reduction in day-to-day calorie intake and promoted weight loss. Additionally, a 2006 study in 60 grown-ups observed that treatment with an HCA supplement that offered 800 mg of the compound daily for 8 weeks caused a 5. Additionally, other older research studies with small sample sizes indicate that HCA may reduce fat accumulation. Yet, many of the research studies that have actually kept in mind favorable outcomes have utilized small sample sizes and were carried out over short periods of less than 3 months. Plus, other research studies reveal that HCA and Garcinia cambogia supplements have no useful effects on calorie intake, weight loss, including more doubt that these supplements promote weight loss. Another review of 9 studies found treatment with Garcinia cambogia resulted in small yet substantial short-term decreases in weight reduction compared with a placebo. Hence, based on the most current findings, the total result of Garcinia cambogia and HCA on weight loss is little at best, and the scientific relevance of the positive findings related to Garcinia cambogia and HCA are questionable. Some research study suggests that Garcinia cambogia and HCA might promote short-term weight reduction. However, evaluations of literature and well-designed research studies have discovered restricted or no advantage. Health professionals have actually called the security of Garcinia cambogia into question. Although some research study shows that Garcinia cambogia and HCA supplements are safe, there have actually been reports of toxicity associated to the intake of high dosages of the supplement. An evaluation of 17 studies including 873 individuals concluded that HCA did not trigger unfavorable impacts at dosages up to 800 mg per day. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.